I want to show you how to create this glitch effect inside Premiere Pro. So to get started, I've just added a video to my timeline that I want to add my glitch effect to. Go over to Effects and find the VR Digital Glitch and drag it on top of our video clip on the timeline. With your video highlighted, go over to Effect Controls and change the value of color distortion to 100 and distortion rate to 0. Scroll down a bit further and expand the noise setting and change the noise strength to around 70. Now find where you want to add the glitch effect to your video by moving the slider to that part of the clip. Head over to Effect Controls and click on the stopwatch animation button next to Master Amplitude and change its value to 0. For this next part, we want to expand our timeline and our keyframe window so we can see our frames as we make them. Now move your playhead 3 frames ahead by using the right arrow key on the keyboard and change the value of Master Amplitude to 100. Move ahead 3 more frames and change the amplitude back to 0. Go back to the first keyframe we created by hitting this arrow a few times. Then under Effect Controls, increase the value of Scale to 150. Now click on the stopwatch icon under Position and move ahead 1 frame, then using the X and Y position controls, move the location of your video frame, which will create a second keyframe. Move ahead 1 more frame and reset the video position by hitting this circle arrow again. You can also duplicate this glitch effect by highlighting all of the keyframes we just created and then copy-pasting them to another part of your video. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.